Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll learn about the DMAX and DMIN functions in Excel. These two functions are extremely useful when you want to find the maximum or minimum values in a dataset based on specific conditions. First is DMAX function helps you find the highest value in a particular column of your database that meets certain criteria. In Excel, a database is simply a table with column headers, and the criteria range is the part of your worksheet where you specify the conditions for filtering the data. Let's start it with example 1, find the highest sales for electronics. Let's say you have a table with product categories and sales data, and you want to find the highest sales in the electronics category. Here's how you can do that with the DMAX function. Here's the formula you'll use. Equals DMAX, open bracket, data set range, comma, quotation, sales, quotation, comma, select custom range, close bracket. In this example, the DMAX function looks at the sales column and checks the category listed in the G2 cell, which is electronics. It then returns the highest sales value for that category, which is 610. Example 2, find the highest sales for furniture in the East region. Next, let's find the highest sales for the furniture category in the East region. Here's the formula you'll use. Equals DMAX, open bracket, select data range, comma, quotation marks, sales, quotation marks, comma, select custom range, close bracket. In this case, the function checks both the furniture category and the East region is specified in the criteria range G2H3, and it finds the highest sales value that matches these conditions, which is 650. Now move DMIN function. The DMIN function works in a very similar way to DMAX, but instead of returning the maximum value, it returns the minimum value in a column that meets the criteria. For example, to find the lowest sales value in the sales column for a particular category or region, you can use this formula. Equals DMIN, open bracket, data set range, comma, sales, comma, select custom range, close bracket. In this example, the DMIN function checks the same criteria range and returns the minimum sales value, which is 310. So, both the DMAX and DMIN functions are fantastic tools for analyzing your data based on conditions you set. Whether you're looking for the highest or lowest value in a dataset, these functions will help you extract the exact information you need quickly and easily.